dance competition, but this is an opportunity to see what. DJ, are you ready? Please make sure that you give me. A fẹ́ ṣe dancing competition láàrin Jelili, Ogunfunso àti Aunty Ronke. Kí lẹ feel? Check out that bed. Yo, bring it down, 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 bring it down. Star boy, star girl in the building. Lay down. Drop it. One time. Yeah. Bless you with all right. Can I have Jelili? Come back, come back, come back. Thank you. All right. All right.
iPhone 2.
Mommy, start with a late for me. Hey, I got me mommy.
iPhone 6.
And she wants to let say.
iPhone 7, my love. iPhone 8. Soft me on the guns. I go be wedding era. Me want change on for my dollar.
1, 2, 3, drop it. I just only want that die, so. Hey! What's that? All right. Mo mọ̀ pé àbóníkìtì ó wà necessary gan lálẹ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kó jù báyìí lọ. Okay. All right. Okay. Can be tested, no? Are you good to go? Are you good to go? I do. Okay, no, but I mean, the dynamics is the first person to finish. All right? It really doesn't matter. All right? All right? And the time starts now. DJ, bring it down one time. She actually did come first. But wait, hold on one second. No, she came second. Okay, but they're saying that you didn't finish. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to choose this by myself. Hey, John Torino, please, who won? Please put your hands together for her. Please put your hands together for her. Thank you so much. Please, Adedurago, please, can we have her gift, please?
Adedura, this is special. Everybody is wearing their own tops now. You didn't make big top for me. The top you gave me is too small. This